Hello, welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to discuss about Claude. And this video is divided into three steps. We're going to test the Claude using data cleaning, formula debugging, and let the Claude handle how he would make a dashboard. So let's get started. So first you can see on the screen, I have built this simple data cleaning structure. And before that, you should know that how you actually can install Claude in your Excel. So first you can go to the add-ins here and search Claude, and you can see by that you can click here and click on Claude. But first, this is actually a pro version of a Claude that you need to purchase if you want to use the Claude in Excel. So let's start. So click on this open Claude, and then you will see this section, and you can just select all the range that you want to test the Claude functionality in this. So let's say I can see that there are a lot of errors under the way the phone numbers are written on, so we can use Claude to fix it. So I'm just gonna select that range and ask Claude about that. I'm just writing, can you fix the phone numbers format? And let's see how it does. As you can see, it's automatically identifying the patterns and is asking my permission to, I can say, always allow. So let's see. Yeah, it actually works, and all the phone numbers are now accurate. So let's see about if it handled correctly the gender or not. So can you fix the format of gender also? So yeah, it changes. All male and female are now accurate. And the last thing which I want to check really is about the dates and the salaries. So let's give it a little bit hard time to fix both at the same time. Can you fix the join date to be in the format of month, year? Okay, and then and salary to be in dollar format. Let's see what it's written. So you can see in the join date, it doesn't work accurately the way I wanted it, but in the salary, it actually gives me all the figures which I wanted, right? So this is, you can say, almost 80% the Claude is working perfectly, but if we give him something advanced to fix on, or something which it's out of its capability, so we can go to the next step, which is formula debugging, to check whether the Claude is able to debug the formulas or not. So you can see there's an error in this formula, the ranges are not accurate, and let's ask Claude on fixing this actually. Okay, so I'm just selecting this cell and asking him, can you fix the formula with value error? And now you can see all the ranges right there is actually works. The average formula was inaccurate before, but now it already fixes. So you can see the formula debugging is actually working perfectly in Claude. And then let's ask the Claude to create a financial model. So now let's ask Claude to create a financial dashboard just like that. So I will just gonna give him as a reference to this financial dashboard and ask the Claude to create the similar financial dashboard like that. Okay, so I'm gonna give him the data using this financial model which I have built. So, and using this, if he can create a financial dashboard just like that, let's see if it does. So let's see, can you create a financial dashboard like one in the dashboard tab using the data in from the financial model tab. Yeah, now it's asking me to create a new sheet or replace existing data sheet. So I'm just going to create a new sheet. Okay, now you can see on the screen, this is the actual dashboard which is built by the Claude, and it sucks really. Why? Because the formatting is a bit off, but if we check up the numbers and the way it's been calculated, it's pretty good because we can spend like 5 to 10 minutes to easily fix this financial dashboard and then use that to bring our presentation to life. So instead of building it altogether through Claude, we can use Claude to actually pull on the numbers, create the charts. We just give him the actual dashboard and said to him that you can create something similar like this, and it actually did. So my recommendation is use Claude for your dashboards, formula debugging, data cleaning, all that stuff. But make sure to double check the data that it is providing you, because if you don't know how to actually build things and how to actually clean the data by yourself, you cannot check the Claude's work. So you can see right now on the screen that the data is being presented is almost around 80% accurate, but not 100%. Okay, so I would say that in future there might be some improvements by Claude which we can see using the formatting and the way it's been presented. So for right now, Claude is not taking your job. So don't worry about it. So if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel, and see you in the next one.